Congratulations on your adoption from the Wisconsin Humane Society. Thank you for adopting from the Wisconsin Humane Society. Now that you've found your match, let us guide you through your adoption handbook and inserts. Let's start with the adoption handbook. Your adoption handbook contains tons of helpful information to support your adoption. Inside, you will find contact information for all of our locations, tips and tricks for setting your animal up for success from our behavior and veterinary teams, dog training and animal behavior seminar information, vaccine clinic times and locations, youth programming opportunities, various ways to continue supporting the work of the Wisconsin Humane Society, such as fostering, in-kind donations, financial contributions, and being an animal advocate, the contact information for your adoption counselor, a coupon for a return visit to any of our Animal Antics retail stores, as well as many special offers from our wonderful community partners. As a part of your adoption, we have included a certificate for a free veterinary exam to be used within 7 calendar days of adoption. This certificate waives the office visit charge at participating veterinary clinics. Any additional services recommended or elected during this visit would be at your cost. While our team has assessed your animal, many animals come to us with unknown medical histories and could be incubating illnesses that were not visible prior to adoption. We've included a listing of area veterinary clinics who would love to support you in providing veterinary care for your new companion. Remember to bring your animal's medical record document to your veterinary appointment too. Refer to this document titled Certificate for a Free Physical Exam in your adoption handbook for more information. Your adoption counselor reviewed your animal's unique medical record with you during the adoption process. A copy of that medical record is included in this adoption packet. While individual medical histories vary, we want to take the opportunity to reiterate specifics regarding incubation of illness, as well as our approach to deworming, feline leukemia testing, and heartworm testing. Animals may be incubating contagious illness without displaying any clinical signs. We recommend ensuring any resident animals are up to date on vaccinations and kept separate from your new companion until you've taken him or her in for their initial veterinary exam at a private clinic. Dogs and cats who arrive at the Wisconsin Humane Society are all given an initial preventative dose of dewormer for the 2 most common worms we see, roundworms and hookworms. If an animal is exhibiting clinical signs of gastrointestinal parasites, we perform a fecal analysis. If an animal tests positive for a fecal parasite while at WHS, he will be given the initial treatment for that specific parasite. Due to the complex nature of parasite life cycles, additional treatment may be recommended. Additionally, there are times where animals may have internal parasites but do not display clinical symptoms during their time at WHS, and thus we cannot treat what we don't know exists. WHS recommends that you discuss the current treatment needs and the future deworming needs for your pet with your veterinarian. Feline leukemia virus is a contagious viral disease that affects cats. It can take several months after infection for a cat to test positive, meaning a negative result today is just that, a data point in time. The animal could still test positive in a few months. As a nonprofit agency and after years of data collection, we made the decision to stop routinely testing all cats for feline leukemia virus. Our veterinary team does perform discretionary testing based on the individual health profile of an animal. We do recommend keeping your newly adopted cat separate from other resident cats until you've had the opportunity to connect with your veterinarian about testing and prevention of feline leukemia. You can find more information about feline leukemia virus on your cat's medical record. The Wisconsin Humane Society tests all dogs 6 months of age and older for heartworm. Heartworm is a blood parasite that can be transmitted to dogs through a mosquito bite. It takes several months after infection before a dog will test positive, which means that even if your dog had a negative test result today, he could still be incubating heartworm disease. Treatment is available and is successful in most cases, but does present certain risks. We recommend that you have a discussion with your vet about retesting and the prevention of this serious disease. Luckily, heartworm disease is preventable with a monthly preventative medication. As a nonprofit organization, we have to make decisions about how we invest our limited resources to ensure appropriate care for the tens of thousands of animals who come into our shelter each year, while balancing the unique needs of the individual animals we serve. As such, we understand that professional veterinary opinions may vary, and thank you for your willingness to take on the medical care for your new companion. As a part of your adoption, Pet Health is offering you a trial of their pet insurance. You must enroll within 7 days of adoption, and you must provide a credit card at the time of enrollment. The trial pet insurance provides coverage for accidents and named illnesses for 30 days at no cost to you. You can cancel at any time by phone, fax, or email, but Pet Health will not notify you that your 30-day free trial is ending. Information regarding this insurance product will be emailed to you at the email address you provided on your adoption profile. If you have any questions about the insurance offerings, please contact Pet Health directly. Cats and dogs adopted from the Wisconsin Humane Society are microchipped prior to adoption. The microchip is inserted just below the skin between the shoulder blades. This microchip is about the size of an uncooked grain of rice and will serve as a permanent means of identification for your animal. On the registration form, you will find contact information that was registered in connection with the microchip. If you need to update or change any information, please contact 24 Pet Watch directly via the contact information listed at the bottom of the registration form. Before leaving with your newly adopted companion, you received a copy of the adoption contract to review and ask questions about. You were asked to sign a copy with your animal's information on it. You have in your adoption packet a copy of your signed adoption contract. This contract finalizes the adoption of your new companion and transfers ownership of the animal from the Wisconsin Humane Society to you. Congratulations! As the owner, you are assuming responsibility for the animal, including the cost of future medical needs. WHS does not offer post-adoption medical care. However, if you have a concern related to the spay or neuter of your animal, please call and speak with a supervisor. Based on your adoption conversation and the needs of the animal you adopted, your adoption counselor may have included additional handouts in your adoption packet. These handouts may include tips on crate training, introducing cats and dogs, house training, preventing litter box issues, and other information designed to support your adoption. You can find more information on these topics and others on our website at wihumane.org. Congratulations again on your adoption. We love getting updates and want to hear from you. You can email your adoption counselor directly or post an update on our Facebook page. We wish you the best with your new companion and thank you for saving a life by adopting from the Wisconsin Humane Society. Thank you to our partner, Hill's Science Diet. While our animals may be on different diets due to their unique needs, the support provided by Hill's ensures we are able to provide a consistent quality diet for our animals while they are in our care.